everyone, it's me RJ Shikha from Rama University's own radio station Radio Rama 90.8 FM, आपका अपना FM। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि ये जो दौर चल रहा है वो है कोरोना पैंडेमिक का। पूरी दुनिया इस पैंडेमिक से जूझ रही है। तो इस साल सभी पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स के मन में एक ही सवाल है कि क्या हमें इस साल एडमिशन्स लेने चाहिए या फिर इस ईयर को ड्रॉप करना चाहिए। तो आपको बता दूं कि रामा यूनिवर्सिटी आपको वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन सिस्टम प्रोवाइड करवाती है, वो भी बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल रेट्स में। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रही हूँ। जी, मैं जानती हूँ कि लोग प्रैक्टिकल फिगर्स पे, फैक्ट्स पे बिलीव करते हैं, तो चाहती हूँ कि हमारे रामा यूनिवर्सिटी की जो स्पेशलिटी है वो किसी और से नहीं बल्कि हमारे प्रैक्टिकल स्टूडेंट से सुनिए। आज मेरे साथ यहाँ पर टू बी प्रिसाइज रामा डेंटल कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स मौजूद हैं, हमारे फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स हैं ये। तो आइए जानते हैं इनसे इनका परिचय। तो मैं चाहूँगी एक एक करके खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे।
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nikita Sekia, an intern at Rama Dental College, Lakhanpur. I am from the 2016-17 batch. The journey here has been wonderful. It has been a roller coaster of emotions. I am almost 1,000 kilometers away from home, from my state of Assam. And I can say that the faculty, the college, the non-teaching staff and especially my friends had always made me feel at home here. The college has provided me with not just academical knowledge but also a chance to be excelling at other activities such as sports, dance that I love, singing and many other fields that one can pursue. Thank you.
Okay, let's know from our other future doctor. Okay, please tell us what are the special points that you have, experienced in Rama till date? What are the positive points you have faced?
Hello, my name is Dr. Pratiksha Shukla, an intern from the dental branch of Rama University. I belong to 2016-17 batch. I am from Chitrakoot and I have joined this profession because it is a noble profession. There are many positive points regarding Rama Dental College. To start with, the faculty and the management are the best that one could ask for. The support that I have got from them, the constant support is very overwhelming, and the hostel facilities here keep the students' comfort as their top priority. About the ragging part, I would like to say that there is a big no to ragging. I have neither faced any ragging nor I have had any complaints from my juniors. So there is a big no to ragging. The COVID protocols are followed very strictly in the college. Every student has to wear a mask and carry the sanitizer and use them wherever it is required. So, and my personal favorite is the bond that is created between the teachers and the juniors and seniors. That helpful bond जो lifelong साथ चलता है. So yes, that's all.
Yeah, okay. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, how's the faculty support that you actually get in your campus? Please tell to the world.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Farheen Nasir and I also belong to the intern batch of Rama Dental College, Kanpur, and I belong to the 2016-17 batch. जैसा कि आपने सही कहा कि स्टूडेंट लाइफ बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं होती और बहुत ही एंग्जाइटी से भरी होती है, बट ड्यू टू द सपोर्ट ऑफ माय फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हियर एट रामा डेंटल कॉलेज कानपुर, इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी ब्लेसफुल एंड गाइडिंग जर्नी ऑफ माय बैचलर्स। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि यहाँ का मैनेजमेंट और फैकल्टी इतना अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेटेड है कि दे आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प अस, and this has been only possible to the respected support of my respected principal sir, my faculty members and non-teaching staff. I would like to say to the aspiring dental and medical aspirants that please opt for Rama University. It is the best one you can go for.
Perfect. Okay. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप हमारे viewers को बताएं, as per your experience till date in Rama, why to choose Rama? Why Rama? They have multiple options, right? But I want you to describe them why Rama is the best.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gursimran Kaur from the intern batch. It has been 5 long years in Rama Dental College, and trust me, I have the comfort of both home and the excellent facility of the college, the topmost college of UP as well.
तो जैसा कि आप समझ गए हैं हमारे रामा डेंटल कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स की बातचीत सुन के कि हमारी रामा यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों इतनी खास है। तो जाने से पहले चाहती हूँ कि गुड बाय पॉजिटिव नोट के साथ हम आज की इस वीडियो को खत्म करें। तो चाहती हूँ एक एक करके हमारे रामा की खासियत के बारे में सबको बताते हुए जाएं।
So I would just like to say that Rama here gives you the perfect college life one can ask for, whether it be education, whether it be other co-curriculum activities, friends and everyone else. So be here in Rama and enjoy your life.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very thankful to Rama Dental College because I owe my name to the college. My whole experience is very, very overwhelming here, and the prices are very affordable for this course. Plus, you will get a very good environment over here. So please be a part of the Rama Dental College. Thank you.
Okay, I have been extremely thankful to Rama Dental College for completing my dream of becoming a doctor. And I would like to all of you to suggest, please opt for Rama. It is a fully secure, safe, and such a beautiful academic and extracurricular background that you will be happy always. Thank you.
Lastly, I would say that the college provides an excellent balance between the academic and the extracurricular life. It provides you an all-round development. So I would please suggest that please go for Rama because it provides you the best dental environment.
Thank you. For more information, log into www.ramauniversity.ac.in. तो जाने से पहले एक बार सभी मिलके बोलेंगे East or West, Rama is the best.